Okay, let me walk you through how to use Trust Wallet to do this. Okay, I just log in with just log into my account. Then I'll drop down to where it says Tecta. Okay, where it says Tecta, you click on Tecta. Of course, this is USDD account already, as you can see, USDD. So you click on Send, because you're going to send money. Of course, you have funds there already. If you have funds here, I don't know whether it's $100 or so you have there, but you click on Send. When you click on Send, you go to your trust. You go to your Cotp account, and then copy the wallet address from Cotp to Trust Wallet. Okay, you copy the wallet account from Cotp. Let's see, where is the wallet account? Recharge. Click on recharge. Okay, you click on recharge, and then where is the Trust Wallet? This is the Trust Wallet here. Yeah? This one's there. Okay, so but you click on copy. Okay, you click on copy. You don't have to write it one after the other. That's the mistake people do. They write it one after the other. Don't do that. Just copy it, okay, and take it back to where? Trust Wallet. Oh, okay. So then you paste it here where it says receiver address, and the amount should be here. Okay, so I paste the wallet address here, and then I put the amount, let's say $50. Okay, and you click on where? Continue. You click on continue at the top. I don't know the app you're using, but you click on continue. So right now I don't have funds here, so I can't transfer this. Okay, and again, you should have extra funds on your TRCX account, because you need to have extra fund, like let's say like $2 or so. Okay, now this is the transaction fee. The transaction fee is like normal fee they charge in banks. Okay, this is the transaction fee. This is the amount you're sending in total. So basically, this is how to send it. And what do you do next? You click on top up Chrome. Okay, since I don't have phones here, it's asking me to top up my phone. So this is basically how to do it. I don't want to make this video too long because I don't have space here. Okay, you top up your Chrome here. Click on Chrome, and then you can top up your Chrome. Okay. So basically, that's how to run that. So this is where you top up your Chrome. You click on receive, or you copy your address to wherever you want to top it up. So you can copy this and send it to someone to help you top it up. Okay. But if you have funds where maybe you have a Binance account, you need to top it up, you can click on send, which is this. Click on send. Okay. You click on send to send it. So that's how to do it. When you top it up, you can come back there where your account is and send it. Anyway, this is how to send it. Okay, I don't have more space to discuss.